Hi, welcome back. In this video, I will show you how to edit urban filter in Lightroom mobile app. Here are example photo, before and after, using this filter. You can download this preset for free via the link in the description. But before that, the file is protected by a password. Please turn on the captions so you can see the password and download the presets. The password consists of 4-digit numbers and will appear separately, like this. So let's start editing. First go to Light. Exposure down to -0.20. Bring the contrast to +50. Highlights down to -23. Shadows to +46. Bring down whites to -80. And blacks bring to +60. Go to Curve. Follow these steps. And done. Next, go to Color. +50 for vibrance. And saturation bring down to -10. Go to Color Mix. First go to red color. Bring the hue down to -14. Saturation to -50. And luminance to +14. Next go to orange. -10 for hue. Saturation to -23. And luminance drag to +26. Move over to yellow. -100 for hue. Bring down the saturation to -30. And luminance +26. Next, saturation to -100 for green, aqua, blue, purple, and magenta. done. Next, go to Effect. Bring the clarity to +60. Dehaze to +20. -10 for vignette. Go to split tone. Bring the hue to 220 and saturation 10 for highlights. Bring the hue to 219 and saturation 5 for shadows. And done. Now go to Details. Sharpening 20. And noise reduction bring to 35. And finish. Now let's try to copy this preset to another photo. Copy setting. Thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe and like. And see you next video.